This is the early Earth, a world forged in fire, a hellscape of molten rock and toxic scum.
Across the barren surface, countless volcanoes erupt, their steam and chemicals beginning the long process of forming the very first seas.
This is the late heavy bombardment, a violent epoch where water was delivered to the surface, transforming the barren rock into a potential cradle for life.
This crimson shroud, once breathable air, is now a toxic cocktail of methane and ammonia. We are witnessing the end. The air itself seems alive. These electrical storms are sparking reactions we've never witnessed before.
Massive rainstorms begin, cooling the surface and forming the first shallow seas.
Steam rises from the newborn oceans as the planet slowly begins to stabilize. Continents begin to take shape, surrounded by vast, turbulent waters. Young Earth spins faster than today, its days lasting only a few hours. From chaos and fire, the stage is set for life to emerge.
Water covers most of Earth's surface, shimmering under a faint orange sun.
In shallow lakes and tide pools, minerals dissolve into the water. Heat from volcanic vents warms these pools, driving cycles of evaporation and condensation.
As simple molecules swirl together, they begin to form the complex chemical mixtures we see here.
Lightning strikes and ultraviolet light energize these reactions.
Within these ancient pools, the building blocks of life begin to form.
Tiny amino acids and nucleotides link together into long chains.
Microscopic bubbles protect fragile molecules from the harsh environment. Inside these bubbles, chemical reactions become more organized.
Something remarkable is about to happen. Chemistry is turning into biology.
These shallow waters are incredibly rich in dissolved minerals, staining the banks with vibrant hues of orange and turquoise.
Primitive molecules begin to replicate, creating the first self-copying systems.
RNA-like chains store information and guide chemical reactions.
Membranes form around these molecules, creating the first protocells.
These microdroplets demonstrate surface tension as they endlessly divide and merge within the aqueous environment. The first metabolism begins, fueled by sunlight and volcanic energy. Earth's earliest life forms are tiny, fragile, yet astonishingly resilient.
These primitive organisms thrive in warm pools and deep-sea vents.
Each new generation brings subtle changes, a hint of evolution taking shape.
Life has begun, simple, single-celled, and ready to transform the planet. The first microorganisms spread across the oceans, unseen but unstoppable.
They feed on minerals and heat from underwater vents. The ocean floor glows with strange microbial colonies. Stromatolites form, layered structures built by ancient microbes.
In these mats, microbes capture sunlight for the first time.
The process of photosynthesis begins, slowly releasing oxygen into the water.
Oxygen reacts with iron, turning oceans rusty red.
Over millions of years, oxygen fills the sky and changed the world. Many early microbes perish, but others adapt and flourish. Life becomes more diverse, learning to harness the power of oxygen.
Cyanobacteria dominate the seas, forming vast colonies near the surface.
They release oxygen as a byproduct, transforming the planet's chemistry.
The great oxidation event begins, reshaping Earth's atmosphere forever.
The blue sky appears for the first time as oxygen reacts with methane. Ozone forms high above, shielding life from deadly ultraviolet rays.
New habitats open up as oxygen enables complex chemistry. Oceans clear, and sunlight reaches deeper than ever before.
Deep within the primordial ocean, a new power source emerged. Oxygen, once a poison, became the key to unlocking vast amounts of energy.
Stage is set for multicellular life to appear. The Earth breathes oxygen, alive with invisible pioneers.
Microorganisms begin forming simple colonies that cooperate and share energy.
Some cells specialize, taking the first steps toward multicellularity.
Oceans teem with microscopic life, evolving into endless new forms.
Over eons, complex cells called eukaryotes emerge. Inside them, mitochondria turn oxygen into powerful energy.
Life becomes more intricate, more capable, more aware.
From these humble beginnings, old plants, various types of animals.
The story of life is written in these ancient molecules.
From the first pond to the modern biosphere, everything is connected.
Life continues to evolve, but its roots remain in those ancient lakes.